A-pillar trim pieces off. I know somebody that broke their windshield doing this job. Hello, my Rover friends, and welcome to the Lucky 8 channel. Today, I'm gonna walk you through step-by-step how to put on a front cowl for your Range Rover Sport or your LR3, LR4. Why is the cowl important? Well, I'll tell you right now. Water runs down the windshield and it's supposed to hit this little lip right here and get pushed away. If it doesn't, it falls behind, goes through your heater vents, fills your floor with water, shorts out all your electrical systems. You guys get the point. So if your cowl looks all yucky and bent, it's time for a new one. Good for you. I'm gonna walk you through how to do it. Cue the intro. All right, the first thing we want to do is get the A-pillar trim pieces off. This is from the passenger side. It is held on with a little plastic clip. It goes in like so. But if you look closely, you want to get your little trim popper tool under here. You know what? Let me grab mine. Where did I leave it? I use it all the time. Give me 1 second. Here's my little tool. So this is going to be in the side of the car. I'll show you exactly where that goes. You want to get your popper tool in between the two, loosen it up so the plastic piece will come out of this hole. Then we're going to pull it off, and you're more than likely going to break these clips. Don't worry. I know you're only watching this video because you bought all your parts from us. And if you did, you can get the plastic clips with the cowl if you choose. Let's take a look. I'll show you the location of this piece and we'll pull the trim piece off. With the hood or bonnet open, it'll expose this little plastic clip I was telling you about. Work our trim tool in. Make sure we only get the outer one. Like so. Bingo. Then we're going to try and pry this away. That's a noise. All right, we didn't break all the clips, just most of them. Next up, we have to get the two wiper blade arms up and out of the way. They're held on. Let me get my little trim tool here, see if that can get under it. Little plastic cap, like so. That's what the caps look like. And I believe it is a 13 millimeter socket that you need. Take them off. When I bring the camera in, I'll tell you the exact size you need. Here's a close-up look at the nut that's on there. It is a 13 mil. So we're gonna just loosen it up. Next, we're just gonna wiggle the lower base of the arm to release it from the spindle. Also, keep an eye on exactly where your wiper blade is so you know where to put it back. So here's what it would look like. You put it back wrong, then it's gonna mess it all up. I can see the line in the glass. That's where it goes. Set this aside and go do the next one. We are almost done, believe it or not. Let's get this little engine rubber seal out of the way. Holds the trim down. Right, with that out of the way, we're gonna just kind of pop up the trim. And just like that, the cowl is free. Essentially, the cowl just snaps in place and the rubber seal pushes against the glass. Little plastic clips similar to the A-pillar. We've got a few that we got to get out. And of course, if you need them, we got extra ones. Now is a great time to go through the cabin area here and look for any debris, mouse nests, anything nasty, clean it out so it's not rotting inside the car. Next up, we want to put the cowl back on. It should come with clips. This genuine one does at the time we make this video, but like I said, if you don't have any, we got extras. I'm gonna set this in place. Get it right where it goes. It's easy to line up with the spindle arms and then carefully look one at a time and clip them in. I'm gonna repeat that the whole way down. Clip, snap, and away you go. Be careful when you're tamping it into place. Don't hit it too hard. I know somebody that broke their windshield doing this job. Next up, let's get the wiper arms back on. Look for the line that was in the glass where they have been sitting, or perhaps you left a mark there. Also, remember, they are different side to side, so make sure you got the right one on the right side and the left one on the left side. Next up, let's connect the rubber seal and put all of that trim back together. Last thing to do is put our pillar trim pieces on. If you've got broken clips, then you can use them out of the kit. We're gonna snap the ones we need in place, attach it to the body, and then put in the locking pin on the bottom. With everything in place, it should look just like this, and there's only one more thing left to do. Be sure to follow for more Rover content.